I want to help you improve your conversions at your store. So here is a call at my store. Let's listen in.
It's a great day. Thank you. This is Jonathan speaking. I can give assistance.
Yes. Okay, so
Most likely what you need to do is you press the middle button and hold the share button on the left side of the track button. Or you go ahead and to the cord that charges it. If that doesn't work, most likely it's the cord, and you'll just need to buy a new cord and try it again.
Okay, let me try a little quick. Let me see. Okay, so I just
area?
share button until it starts blinking.
Yeah, the middle button and the share button.
Okay.
And then, are you in the Fort Lauderdale area?
Pompano Beach.
Pompano Beach? Alright, so I'm going to give you a call back in 10 minutes just to check up on your progress with that, see if it works for you. If not, you can definitely come over here to Fort Lauderdale and I'll help you out with that controller. But I can take care of this customer. I'll be right back, okay? Give me 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Alright,
Bye-bye.
I love the call. He was confident. He knew what he was talking about. He helped her. He gave a little bit for free, and maybe that doesn't fix the issue, but she trusts him now. So that was a good call, and he was busy. You hear he was he had a customer in front of him too. So the fact that he said, "Can I call you back?" was a great touch, because now he's gonna follow up with that customer to see if she got it situated, and now see if she's gonna probably have to walk through the door no matter what. But that was a great call, and that's the way you're supposed to do these kind of things. It's the tech to see if he had the chance to follow up. This call just happened like 25 minutes ago. So she called about the PS4, about the controller.
Yep.
Great call, by the way.
Okay.
Were you able to follow up with her yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and call her now and see what's going on and see if she fixed it. We're doing it live. Live, in action. We're gonna make this happen. So, Miss Jessica, I want to pick up the name, obviously. It's important. So I got two approaches. I'm gonna call her first. If she doesn't answer, then I'm gonna go ahead and shoot her a text message. But just pick up her name because it's important too. And a lot of people don't answer calls they don't recognize, right? So even though she called us, it's still a number she doesn't normally use. So a lot of times they won't answer. So don't give up. It's the whole point. Don't give up on it. I have her email.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
Okay. So it's not. So at least we know it's a cell phone number, right? Because she's got a voicemail box, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot her a text.
I'm gonna just send me screenshots of the text.
I mean, you can just see a lot of them. Text her. Hey Jessica, keep it short and sweet. Don't go too much into it. Hey Jessica, this is Techy. Did you resolve your Xbox? No, your PS4. Sorry.
Yeah.
PS4
controller issues.
Controller
Got a guy coming in too.
issues. Text, and I'm gonna wait. Okay, and then I'll. It's a great day, Techy. What information can I give you today?
Is this Jonathan?
This is actually Tim. I was giving you a call back
sorry.
about your PS4 controller.
Yes, so actually something came up, so I'm gonna bring it in tomorrow.
Okay, and do you want me to text you the address?
Yeah, sure.
That'd be great. Okay, my name's Tim. You can ask for me too. I would take great care of you, okay? Thank you, Jessica.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, she's coming in tomorrow. I'm gonna put that as a follow-up. I'm gonna make sure I call her tomorrow, but you can tell she loves us, and I'm gonna text her the address so she doesn't get lost. If this video provided value for you, hit the follow button below. And if you want more, techuniversity.com for free.